welcome to the channel. And welcome to what you guys have been asking for, another walk with Caribbean E, as he takes you through the city of Leiria and we show you some beautiful sights, untouched land, new homes and old, parts of Leiria you might not have seen, away from the downtown hustle and bustle, and drop a few facts on you. So let's enjoy the beauty of Leiria. One of the things I really love about the city of Leiria is the fact that you can be next to nature, but in beautiful modern homes, or if it suits you, beautiful old restored homes, all in one place. And let's not forget that Leiria is surrounded by one of the oldest state forests in the world. And the beautiful thing is, no matter where you're situated, you can still have a great view of the castle in the city's historic quarter, the Castillo de Leiria. Resting on the banks of the River Lis, Leiria is beautiful. A series of hills just hanging on squares and squares of well-preserved 16th and 17th century residence, or more modern as seen here. Just a little fact that Leiria was captured from the Moors by Portugal's first king, Alfonso Henriques, in the 12th century and was rebuilt in 1324. And it's not called the Silver Coast for anything. It's because it is lined with beautiful beaches and lots of beautiful coastland, not far at all from Leiria, literally 12 to 20, depending on the beach, kilometers away. With all this rich history, it's easy to see all the things you can see if you come to Leiria, where the Museum of Leiria has old paintings, sculptures, and archaeological exhibits and fossils dating back over 150 million years. All this with also the ease of transportation, because the public transit, the bus line, goes all throughout the city, all day long till about 9 p.m. for your convenience. And like we've said in other videos, the recycling bins are everywhere. They are aplenty to help our ecosystem and to preserve less waste and help the planet. And very similar to the Dominican Republic, apartment homes out here are very popular and how most people live out here, either purchasing or renting. So as always, hit subscribe, hit those notifications, give this and all videos a thumbs up, and remember that all information is underneath every video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next walk.